Hello guys, how are you? I have a fountain pen which has four nibs and three ink cartridge banks. And in this video, we will learn how to refill the ink bank cartridge in fountain pen. So I will take my fountain pen and remove the previous used ink cartridge, and I can use this cartridge for refilling from external inks. We can purchase it from any stationery shop. But this ink cartridge, the three ink cartridge banks, I can use once, and these also can be refilled in future. First I take this and I will fix it from the back and press. So this is the only way which we can use for the refilling of ink cartridge or any fountain pen of these types. These pen are mostly used for calligraphy, and after doing all, I will shake the fountain pen and I will try to write something. And after shaking, so it's going work fine. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.